The holiday rush is officially here, and if you're hosting or you're just trying to get something good on the table fast, this one's for you. Lifestyle expert Grace Gold is here with two New Jersey favorites that make holiday cooking easy, festive, and way less stressful. She's showing us a quick flatbread recipe that comes together in minutes, but still feels special.
Yes.
Like you.
Thank you. And I'm your third Jersey favorite here. We got two here, third
and three.
here.
I love this. I came to work on the right day. Okay, I love shopping local.
Yes.
So you've brought a lot of your favorite, a couple of your favorite things.
Yes.
Also local businesses.
Local businesses in New Jersey, and
Love
they
it.
are fantastic. So let's start here. This is Toufayan, and they are a New Jersey-based, family-owned bakery, really famous for their pita, delicious range of bagels, wraps, lavash, keto, gluten-free breads. Today on the table, we are featuring the Toufayan Hearty White Flatbread. Why I love this, 8 grams of protein with great taste and texture. So perfect for your paninis, sandwiches, flatbread pizzas, as you see that we're gonna make.
Love, love, love. And it also smells good, and it looks very festive, by the way.
Super festive, yes. Okay. And then the other brand that I want to show you today is Hoboken Farms. So this is actually hailed as a top pick by the New York Times. This is a beautiful line of sauces from a New Jersey farm market. Cult favorite. Now you no longer have to get it just at the market time. It's on your shelves at ShopRite, Whole Foods, Stu Leonard's, Wegmans, Stop and Shop, King Cullen, and more. Just launched the brand new Butter and Calabrian Chili Marinara. This is crafted with real butter, sweet tomatoes, caramelized onions. It's got that warm and spicy heat of the Calabrian chili. And like all Hoboken Farms sauces, certified seed oil free. You will love the ingredient label on this. It's just whole foods that you would make in your kitchen.
And I love the label on it. It is, I love that truck in the front. That's really cute.
Isn't
I
that
love
cute?
the whole thing. Oh my God, I'm so excited to write. I'm starving. What are we doing?
Okay, so we're putting it all together, Marisol, because we don't have time this time of year, but we want it to be
no time.
Literally no time. We want it to be delicious. This is ready in 10 minutes. Okay, so what we've done is we have started with the Toufayan, the Hearty White Flatbread there. You can see we have added our Hoboken Farms, the Butter and Calabrian Marinara sauce that they just came out with. That flatbread, perfectly crisp, but still holds up to the toppings. The sauce on top adds just the right amount of heat and richness. It does all the work for you. The toppings, of course, you're gonna do your shredded cheese. I love roasted veggies. You could do pepperoni. You wanna get a little fancy, you can put some prosciutto, some arugula.
I see the prosciutto and arugula.
On top. We did this in the air fryer, 375.
Excuse you.
4 to 6 minutes right here in the studio. You can also do this in your conventional oven, your toaster oven. We have all the recipe variations on the PIX 11 homepage. Ready in minutes. Great, like to put out as an appetizer.
100%.
Everybody can have their own little personal pizza for dinner. Done in minutes.
And also, I like if you need to entertain the little ones in your house, make them make their own individuals.
They can't complain when they choose their own toppings.
That's right. Oh my gosh, Grace, this is fantastic. Christmas came early this year. Thank you so much for this recipe and introducing us to these wonderful business. Folks at home, get these recipes and links to both these Jersey favorites by scanning the QR code on your screen. And as always, you can head over to pix11.com and click on the PIX Partners tab.